In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an app from Shopify. To get started, to add an app, you go over to the side menu and click Add Apps, or you can go straight to the Shopify App Store. When you click the add apps, it will bring a pop-up, or you can again go straight to the Shopify App Store. That works as well. You'll stay signed in so you can scroll and see all of the thousands of apps from Shopify and third-party developers that are designed to make your Shopify store better. Click on the one you want. You can see this one is a highly rated option, so we're going to install this one. To do that, you click install and it will bring you back to your Shopify App Store in the admin, and it will have the screen where you install the app. It shows you what they are going to be able to access when they have it installed in your store, and if you're comfortable with that, click install. So now it's installed, so when you click apps in the search bar, it'll come up all the installed apps that you have, and then it will also be listed over here under apps in the side menu on the left hand side. You can also click this pin to pin it to your navigation to make it easier to find. So that's how you install an app. Shopify makes it incredibly easy. So with this particular app in the admin section, you'll see that it's not a free app, so you'll have to start a trial. So you select which one that you want to do. So you would have to select either the beginner plan or the scale plan and then click start trial. And then you would continue on with that. So you would say take beginner instead if you want to stay with that plan. So to have an app installed that does charge money, you have to approve the charges and add a payment method. So it will be subscription based. So for this one, it's $14.99 every 30 days. So you have to enter your credit card information here or choose PayPal. This will connect your PayPal account to Shopify. So you can click pay with PayPal and it will take you over and you connect your account, or click credit or debit card, click add credit card and enter all of your credit card information here. Then click add credit card. Once you have your payment information included, you then click approve, and that brings up everything you need to install an app and have it working in your Shopify store on a subscription basis. To add more apps, you go to apps and then you can go to either all recommended apps, or you can again go to the Shopify App Store. But if you scroll through the apps that the Shopify recommends for you, you can find free ones that are really easy to add. So from this screen, you can just click install. Then it will take you to the next screen where you again see what the app is going to have access to and then click install. Every time you click install, it will take you to the admin area of that app. So with this one, it's a free app, so you can immediately use it. So there's no place where you have to decide which plan you want to select. You're just ready to go from the start. So that makes it really easy. And then again, when you go back to apps, you can see now you have the free app we added and the paid app that we added. So it gives you all of the apps that you have included when you click apps under the dropdown. Shopify makes using and installing apps really easy, and they have a app store with thousands of different options to allow you to create anything you want with your Shopify store. So I hope this video was helpful, and definitely check out this next video on more ways to use Shopify.